gonna show you guys how to replace your rear tailgate hydraulic strut, whatever you want to call that. This is the new one. If you guys want the same parts that I'm using, I'll have the parts link down in the description for you guys. All you really need is a flathead screwdriver and somebody to help you hold this. If you don't have somebody to help you hold it, put a stick right here so it doesn't fall flat. So all you need is flathead screwdriver. You just pry it off right over here, right here. Alright, that's out. Do the same one on this side, the bottom part.
Press this while you're running and you can slide. So, go the other one. It automatically runs.
Okay, all you do is you pull it out. I forgot to tell you to hold it. You just make sure you have somebody holding it so it doesn't drop on you like it just did on me. So yeah, all you do is you smack it, it'll come off. We'll get the new one out right here. Okay, so the new one, all you gotta do is slide on in there. It's got a new clip too, like that. You can twist this. Get down a little bit. There we go. That's how you install it. Yeah, so it's the same process for the left or right. If you bought two of these, it doesn't matter which one is left or right, they're the same thing. But yeah, I hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys got any questions, comment down below. Again, I'll have the parts link in the description for you guys. And again, thank you for watching.